Good evening, sir. Stability information in the context of ships refers to the data and analysis used to assess and ensure a ship's ability to maintain its upright position and return to it tilted by external forces. Stability diagrams are graphical representations used to understand and analyze the stability of various systems, including vessels, chemical reactions, and even vibrating structures. They help visualize the factors influencing stability, identify potential instability points, and predict the behavior of the system under different conditions. Types of stability diagrams: ship stability diagrams, modal stability diagrams, phase stability diagrams, potential energy diagrams, stability charts, stability lobe diagrams, dimensional stability diagrams. Trim tables, also known as trimming tables or trim tables, are used in maritime navigation and vessel operations to quickly estimate the change in forward and aft drafts, the depth of the vessel in the water when loading or discharging cargo, or shifting weights within the vessel. These tables are typically found in a ship's stability booklet and provide a convenient way to calculate the impact of weight changes on the vessel's trim, the inclination of the ship's horizontal fore and aft plane with the water surface. Stress tables. Stress tables and loading instruments provide essential information for ship loading conditions, including permissible limits of still water bending moments, shear force, and other loadings. Thank you.